So we're currently driving around Ecuador, searching for one little iPhone. Needle in a haystack, essentially. What's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're making the most out of your day. My name is Gaul. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the vlog. We got a pretty fun vlog planned for you today. We're headed to a very special place. It's in the middle of the world, essentially the equator. We're headed to the equator today. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And we're just walking to the bus stop. It's a guy's day. Super fun guys day today, just the guys. So guys going to the center of the world. Okay, so we're on the bus headed to the equator, but there's a catch. We've realized that there is a true equator, like where the equator actually is, and then there's a tourist trap, a fake equator. Wesley, how do you feel about there being a tourist trap, a scam?
A scam? A scam equator?
Yes.
Well, if they don't know, then I guess they thought they got there and maybe they'll be happy.
I feel like if our host didn't tell us about the fake equator, we'd totally fall for it. But today, we're not gonna fall for it. Oscar, we're determined to find the real equator, correct?
Either or, I'd be fine.
Dan, how do you feel about there being a fake equator?
You know, I think it's alright. People gotta make money, you know? I don't dog them for it. I mean, it's probably a cool place. It looks pretty nice, I'm sure. We may go see it, and then we'll go to the real one so that we've been to both.
But it's not the truth.
Yeah, it's a little hidden. It's got something laying beneath the surface.
So you guys are cool with the fake one? We are down for only the real one.
The real one. It's gotta be real.
Let's go to the real equator. Alright, we're off the bus. I'm in desperate need of sunglasses. Behind us here is the equator. But again, thank you. Again, we gotta find out which one is like the touristy one, which one's the actual one. We're not entirely sure.
There you only can find the north and south. So there is the line the north, south, west, and east. Yeah. The fourth. And for that is the real middle of the world.
Over this way.
Over that mountain, behind.
Oh my
you have to come this way.
Guys, we're in the wrong spot.
Dan and Oscar's okay with this. I don't know how I feel.
Jose, thank you so much. Later, dude. Oh, there's Mickey and Minnie. There's also Disney World at the equator. So that monument marks apparently the center of the earth. It makes sense that they would have like a tourist spot designated for people to come. And even though that monument looks cool, that's not what we came for. It's not why we're here. Well, our trip to the fake equator wasn't a total loss. I was able to pick myself up some new Ray-Ban sunglasses. Check these babies out. Got them for $8. They're totally real, 100% not fake. Okay, now to the real equator. Alright, here we go. The journey to the center of the earth. This mountain road is extremely sketchy. There's like hundreds of feet, a huge drop off right to our left, and our driver is on his phone.
¿Qué pasó?
Way up to the top.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby.
No.
Playing the field.
Okay, I think we're hiking the rest of the way. You stuck?
Yeah, he's stuck. Check out the tires back over there.
Wow. Oh, mi amigo. That's not good. Ah. That's too bad. All right. We're headed up, headed to the center.
I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire.
Welcome to Ecuador, my friend.
0 degrees latitude. Welcome to the center of the earth. there's something that we learned throughout our search for the center of the world today, is that there's a lot of dispute surrounding what point is actually the center. Apparently there's like other points that are other like reference points. This is the one in Ecuador, and this is like 000, however many zeros, I don't even know. But it's been an awesome day, and it's been awesome just to like see this place and be this part of the world. I'm a little bit out of breath because of the high altitude, but there's something that I want to hit on that's much bigger than like finding the actual center of the earth, and that's finding like the center of who you are, what your purpose is, what your identity is. On this mission trip, like being a world racer, it's easy to get caught up in like, I'm Connor the missionary, I'm Connor the guy who travels, I'm Connor the guy who makes videos, I'm Connor the guy who helps people, I'm Connor the guy who shares the gospel and does missions. But that's like what I do. That's not necessarily who I am. Even though what I do is connected to who I am, it's not actually my center. It's not actually my identity. My identity is in Christ, and for every person who is a believer, your identity is Jesus Christ. Like, you're his son, you're accepted and you're loved, and his righteousness is yours. So I just want to encourage you with that thought. Like, maybe you've been chasing your purpose, your identity. Maybe you've been looking for your center, not the fake center, not the fake you, but the real you. Coming to like the actual place in your soul where that's 100% who you are. And if you're not a believer in Christ, like, I encourage you, like, give Jesus a chance in your life, because he's the one who satisfies, he's the one who fills that void, he's the one who becomes your center and your identity, and you're actually complete in him. Okay, it's time to go. We're leaving the center of the world monument. I was supposed to be in the van like 6 minutes ago, but come on, just trying to enjoy the views, you know? All right, we'll see you at the bottom. Bad news, I checked my pocket for my phone, it's not there. So we're thinking it fell out somewhere down here.
Inside to the car. If you go inside to the car, this
Yeah.
is a problem.
Yeah, see, the phone is either on this bank or it's inside the other car. It's probably inside the other car, which means I may have lost my phone in the world race. Well, this vlog just took an interesting spin. We've lost my phone. Not sure where it's at.
Find it.
Fell out of my pocket somehow, which goes along great with what I was saying up at the mountaintop. The phone is not the most important thing in life, even though we use it a lot and our life revolves around it a lot. It is not our center. It's not who we are. So who cares, right?
Que se comunique
So
que
Wesley
ha llevado al
miraculously has the number of
No, solo así
cab
nomás.
on his phone here. We're gonna try and call and see if we can track down my phone. This would be a miracle. Oscar, what do you think?
About what?
About my phone.
If it was my phone, I would just give up right away and be like, oh well. That's my mentality.
So I should give up.
That's my mentality.
You know what my dad told me growing up?
What?
Our motto as kids was Gaul's never give up. This one's for you, Dad.
My bad.
Alright, so our friend here is gonna help us try and track down the phone if we can.
We tried to contact that number that's on my video, but it turns out they can't get a hold of it. He tried to Google it, can't get a hold of the company. So I think this guy's gonna try to take us to the company, and we'll see if we can find it.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being we're not gonna find it, what do you think about this phone's situation?
For realism,
Yes.
maybe 0.1.
So we are gonna get in the car.
Yeah.
Okay, you want the front? I'll take front.
Yeah.
Just in case we get kidnapped. Okay,
Fine.
I don't condone what we're doing. Maybe don't jump into a random van looking for a phone that's probably lost. But
We're gonna look out for
We're
the
doing
car.
it.
That's what we're gonna do. He's gonna drive us around a little bit and try to help us find
it's
it.
not too bad. Yeah. Okay. What's the car number? So we're currently driving around Ecuador, searching for one little iPhone. Needle in a haystack, essentially. Okay, so apparently this other cab driver knows the guy that drove us to the mountain.
Yeah.
So I have a video of the guy's face, and this guy apparently knows him. So we're gonna hop in another car, see if we can find him. I'm backing up. This is the guy. We somehow found him. Yeah. Hola.
Volver nomás.
Oh my gosh, there it is.
Aquí se ha caído, aquí,
Sí, sí,
Aquí
sí.
se ha caído.
Sí, gracias.
Aquí vivo.
I'm gonna give him a tip.
Mucho.
Ya, que
Muchas
vaya bien.
gracias, muchas gracias.
This is so awesome.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Just like
Luis,
Luis.
Spin.
Luis is Bing.
Spin.
Hey, Bing.
Spin, sí.
Usted es el hombre más honesto en Ecuador.
No pasa nada. Siempre, siempre amigo.
Oh my gosh. Listen, I thought my phone was gone for good. I can't afford to grab a new one. Here it is though. We found the iPhone.
What
Wesley,
is
we
that?
found it.
That is so awesome.
Wesley, thank you for your help
Wow,
with translating.
dude,
Couldn't
that's
have done it
so
without
awesome.
you.
Thank God.
Oh my gosh. What the heck, dude? God is so good.
Yeah.
Even in the little things, guys, he is good.
Man,
Wow.
so awesome.
Thank you so much. Have a good man.
Buenas.
My friend! I found the phone! Muchas gracias. Oh, muchas gracias. Oh, thank you. Now comes the fun part. We get to try and convince Oscar and Daniel that we didn't find it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get our sad faces on,
I completely like
see if we can convince them.
Yeah.
Dude, we went all over like the town, and we like tracked down all these different cars and cabs and stuff, and we like, I don't know, we asked so many different people, and we freaking found it! Let's go! So good. That's right. You were the doubter. You were the doubter. I told you, Dad, Gauls never give up. Never.